Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a lovely day. So, I don't know when this video is going to go live. I might be away. So I'm going on a cruise from Saturday the 14th of July for 2 weeks and I'm so excited. I'm going away with Bradley's family and I literally can't contain myself. I'm so excited. But anyway, I thought I've never done a travel a travel series. Maybe that's what I'm going to call it. So I kind of want to do a pack with me, show you guys what I pack in my suitcase and all of that kind of stuff. But in today's video, I am going to show you how I pack my makeup bag when I do travel and what makeup products I take and all of that kind of stuff. So that is sort of the aim for today's video. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna take credit. The case that I got, I watched Desi Perkins' video, and if you haven't seen it, then go and see it because I'm sure it's better than this video. But her video is amazing and she made me get this case, but the bigger one was out of stock. So I have got the smaller one, which is really sad, but in a way good because it made me have more space in my suitcase when I put this in after. But yeah, anyway, if you want to see what I do, what makeup products I use, where I put them, and my brushes and all of that kind of stuff, then please keep watching. So, sorry about the makeup around the edges. I'm all going to put this in here, basically. So, this is the case that Desi Perkins has, but she has the bigger version of it, which I wish I got, but they didn't have it in stock. But anyway, we're going to try and fit everything into this, which is also good for maintaining space in your suitcase because you're not going to overfill things and it's all compact in this and nothing will break. So, as you can see in this compartment, it has got a really, really sturdy case. This around it is plastic. It is so hard and sturdy. It's so hard to bend. There's also these compartments inside which do, you have to sort of be tough with it, they do lift up. So depending on what sort of products you have and you want them to be really, really tight and impact, like this, if you've got glitters or something, you don't want them to go anywhere, that is really good for that. You can just change it up. So I've sort of done it to how I want my makeup to go, but this sort of section I might change around in a bit, but you can always change it, so that's the really, really good thing. In this compartment, if you open it, it's hard to see. So this bit, you've got literally just things for your brushes or lip liners. I have so many brushes, so I'm going to show you what I do with my brushes in another sort of compartment thing. And then you've got a zip here which opens, which is also really, really good for palettes and things like that. You could also put palettes over the top of your makeup and then close it and then zip it up. Also, don't mind my nails, they're not looking the best. So I'm going to start off with setting sprays and the biggest products here. So I've got a couple of things that I like to use to sort of prep and prime my face with. The first thing is from Decay. This is the Quick Fix Spray. This literally smells of coconut and it's really, really good for a primer basically. But on holiday, I love to use it because it's so refreshing and it's nice to keep in your beach bag. So I'm going to pop this here. It's also really dirty, but don't mind that. And I've done that all compact and tight. The next spray I love, which has literally nearly run out, I don't know if you can see. This is the iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray. This is in the shade Glow. It's unreal. It's literally ideal for when you go away. You can spray it on your face, your body, to set your makeup and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm going to pop that one here. The next setting spray I have is this one from Decay. I have got the mini version, but it is perfect for traveling. I did have this one, but I emptied this one into this because you can just screw on lids. I did lose the lid to this, so I haven't really got the lid, but oh well. So what I'm going to do is just pop this one here, which works perfectly because it all fits nicely. I'm now going to move on to sort of foundations and my base. Now, I do change colour when I go away, so I do like to take some iconic London drops with me just to add in my foundation, but I'll go to that in a minute. So the 3 foundations I am going to bring, liquid ones, there we go, that's better, are completely different. This is Maybelline Fit Me, and this is the Sleek Life Proof Foundation, and this is the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Foundation. So these are sort of my current favourites at the moment. They're all really, really similar, but they're also really different in colours. So I'm gonna pop those sort of compact-ish in there, but I'll add things as well. I mentioned in one of my videos about these Bare Mineral powder. Now, whenever I go away, these are unreal. Powders I really, really recommend for your skin. I'll hardly use these a lot, but I don't know, I'm gonna bring them just in case. But these will literally change your life, especially when you go away. They're so lightweight, so buildable, and yeah, I've got 2 different colours of these. So I've got medium beige and then also medium tan. So I'm gonna pop these here. Or is there another? Yeah, that'll do. The next thing I want to move on to is powders. Now, the 2 I've been loving at the moment is from L'Oreal, and this is the True Match, and then this is the Benefit Hello Flawless. I really, really like these. Oh, and I also like the Rimmel Alright, the rim will stay matte, but as you can see, I've majorly hit the pan, so I need to get a new one of these, but I'll pop this in here like just as I would. So I'm going to move this, that here. I'll just leave this here for now. That can go there. So I'm going to pop all of the powders in here. And then I also like to take this, which is the Chanel Solid Tan. This is amazing for when you go away. It's literally like Photoshop in a tub. Perfect. So I'm going to put this here as well. It's sort of a bit big. It's bending, but it's all right. We're working with it. The next thing I'm going to bring are some blushes. This is the Ciate one. It's so beautiful. It looks like a flower. Stunning. So I'm going to pop that in here. And then I've also got this one. I can't remember where it's from. I got it from Glossybox, but I'm also going to pop that one over the top. And then for highlighter, this is sort of my all-time favourite. This is the Anastasia Resi sort of highlighter. So I'm going to put that here. At the moment, I only have one concealer in my whole makeup, which is this one. It's L'Oreal True Matte. So I'm also going to put this here. Actually, I might put that one there. There we go, that works better. So the concealer can go there. And then I'm also going to take my favourite London Iconic drops. This is in the shade Original, and then this is in the shade Glow. Like I said, I like to mix these ones because they're darker with my foundation if I do get more of a tan, because it makes the foundation darker and more glowy for summer, and it's perfect in there. You can even put them up like so. I've just realised I found this foundation and it's like full, but it's a dark one and I really want to use it as well, so I'm going to try and figure out how to do this without messing this up. But will it close with them? I think it will. We'll sort of pop those there. Also for brows, I use the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Dark Brown. I'm just going to pop that here with the blushes because they're sort of the same size. Right, I'm going to turn this round so you guys can see this section here, if it'll stay open. So in this section, I'm going to put sort of the lipsticks that I want to use and the liners that I want to use. Right, so I've got some mascaras, eyeliners and lip liners and lipsticks and stuff in here, which I'm going to put in here. So what I'm going to do is put the liners in the first one. I'm going to face them up like this actually so I can see the colour of it. So the liners are all done there. I'm then going to move on just to fill these up. Leave the last one for sort of liners and stuff. So I'm going to put as many lipsticks as I can. Face them upside down, I always forget. So you can just see the colours better. And then in the last one I'm going to put the L'Oreal, what's it called? Liner in there, as well as the brow gel. Go there. As well as the Rimmel London liquid liner. And also this Perversion mascara from Urban Decay. Really, really good one. So now that is done, it's now time to fill under here with my palettes. Now, I'm not going to lie, I'm going to have to like limit down. This is all that I've got and I need to limit down what I should really take. So I'm going to take the NYX Contour Kit. It's my absolute favourite and I can't live without it. So that is going in there for sure. I'm also going to take the Naked 3 palette. I feel like this is a really, really good palette for like holidays and stuff. So that can go in there. It's so not going to close. And then I've also got this big Iconic London one, but I'm going to have to take it alone because it's just too big. And then I'm also going to take this Holochrome one from Model Zone. It's got a lot of really, really pretty shimmers in it, like greens and stuff. Like, I don't know if you can see, it's stunning. Like, so pretty. So I'm also going to bring this one in here too. And I also can't forget this Iconic London highlighter powder. It's my favourite. I'm just going to sort of put that on there. So I don't know if it'll fit in here. Look, this won't even zip up. Yeah, let's just put you there. And then I'm going to try and close it. Oh my god, guys, we're having a problem. Look, it's not closing. I think I'm going to have to say bye to the palettes and take them on its own. I did it. Oh my god, look, it's all compact in there. It is a bit like wobbly here, but I've like filled it to the max. Now, because I got the smaller one of these, I have had to take away my palettes, but I'll just have to take these somewhere else, or I'll try and fit these in the brushes. So now let's move on to the brushes. Right, so this is a case that I got from eBay, I think. It had like random eyelashes and stuff in, so it has got some compartments here, which is really, really good. Look, as you can see, there's like some brushes and stuff in there, but I never use the kit. So, what's that doing? So I'm going to put all my brushes inside here. Now, I need to take this. This is from Iconic London. It is their one from their new sort of range, and it's like the Body Glow glitter. How insane is that? So that needs to come in there hair now. I'm gonna take some scissors. These are really, really good to take when you're sort of cutting your lashes or you have any sort of problems like that going on. So I'm going to pop those there. I'm literally just going to pop all of my brushes that I use. I'm not going to go through what each of them are because we'll be here for days, honestly. So I'm just going to pop them in and have a little fast mo action. Many. So I've got in here my tweezers, and then I also have a razor. This is just an eyebrow razor in case I have any sort of excess hair around my face. I have done a video on that. These are like proper eyelash tweezers, so they're gonna go in there. And then here we've got some, I'm getting individual lashes done, so these are perfect for that. And then I don't really know what these are for, but I'm bringing them just in case, you know, you might need an extra sort of lip brush. So what I'm going to do is pop some, I've got some Herbie grips, I'm going to put them in there for that. And then I'm also going to put this here. And then I'm also just going to fill it up with the palettes. So I don't really know how this is going to go. Yeah, that's not going to close now. Why do I ruin it? I think it's this palette. There you go. Oh, so that closes like that. So yeah, I've got my brushes in here, some palettes. This one is quite a big palette. It's also got a really, really good mirror, which is really, really sturdy. So I'm definitely taking this away. And yeah, I love this palette, so I'll just have to take this separately. So when you open it, you've got everything all there for you. Your brush is waiting for you, bronzers, hair clips, everything. So then you can close this and you are literally good to go. So I've got the majority of my makeup in here, and then the brushes and stuff in here. I can show you it, guys, again one more time. So when you open it, that is what the makeup looks like. And then when you open this, that is what the brushes look like. So then you can just take them out and then you are literally good to go. So everyone, this is the end of the video. I hope it's been quite informal for you guys. I hope so. Informal? Informative, that's the word. This isn't a formal video, or probably an informal video, but I meant very informative for you guys. What am I saying? If you do get the case, which is only £15, it's just so cheap and so good, then do let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you get on with it. I just think it's such a good idea, and thanks to Desi, I've literally got just the best makeup storage ever, and I'm gonna wait till the bigger one is in stock. So I'll leave a link in the description box down below to where I got it from, and I'll try and list as many makeup products that I use as well, but it takes a long time and I'm so busy at the moment with filming and stuff, but I promise you I'll try. If not, just look back at the video, screenshot the products I use, and you'll be good to go. So yeah. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It means so much to me, and happy travelling your makeup bag thing. Yeah, have fun. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!